Hello and welcome. Today I have another ink sample review for you, and this one is by the Birmingham Pen Company, and this ink is called Mudskipper. And this ink, I do not see it for sale on their website right now, although they do typically sell out of their inks right away once they post them. So I had to get this as the sample from somebody who had a bottle of it, and they were willing to send me some. So let's go ahead and finish filling this out. Birmingham Pen Company does not offer samples, so if you see somebody who has a sample, then it's because they were able to get some from somebody who already had that color of ink. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and write the name on here. And their inks tend to be really, really nice, so I'm excited to see what this one does. I'm going to go ahead and put it under a fan. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So let's go ahead and do a test on some copy paper. I always test the inks out on copy paper because sometimes maybe you're at work or school and you don't have access to your nicer papers and you just want to know if the ink will behave. Alright, this is Mudskipper. This is copy paper. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, it looks kind of like a gray of some kind, so we'll set that aside to dry and see what it does. I know that sometimes their inks completely change when they're wet to when they're dry, and that's really a fun feature. I really actually like watching the ink dry to its final color. And they have a couple inks that look different depending on the lighting you have them in. This is HP 32. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, leave a suggestion, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll do a review video. Alright, so there's that. Yeah, this definitely looks like some kind of a gray. Really pretty. And this is Tomo River paper. And Tomo River paper also resists the ink really well and typically shows off the different properties of the ink. It's one of the best papers I've used, so I always like to do a swatch. And this is Tomo River. And if you enjoy these videos or if you find them helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more. There we go. And here is the Tomo River paper. I'm going to go check on our swatch and see if it's dry, and I will be right back. Alright, so we're back, and here's how it looks on the copy paper. It's kind of like a brown, gray, purple, very, very purple toned. And I don't see any major feathering or any other problems, so this would probably be totally fine on copy paper. And then here it is on some HP 32, and the color automatically just looks really rich and saturated here. And you can see some shading going on, both in the swatch and in the writing. Very, very pretty, and it's still got that wonderful, like, deep muted purple gray or purple brown. It's kind of hard to tell what this color is supposed to be, but it's very, very unique and pretty. And then here it is on Tomo River, and it's just a little bit darker here with a lot more shading going around the edges, and you still see that purple coming through in this wonderful shading here. And so anyway, this looks really nice on the paper, but I want to show you the swatch because this is what was really interesting. So this is beautiful. So first of all, you've got like these purples here, and then it fades down to this dark, that muddy kind of a purpley gray, maybe there's a tiny bit of brown in there, but I don't think it's brown. I think what it is, there's this beautiful green sheen, and I think that's what's affecting the color. So, and that's what's also helping it with, it's already really nice, a really nice shading ink on its own, but I think that sheen is what really gives it that kind of a confusing color. When you look at it, you're not sure what it really is. So here's how it looks in the writing. Very, very pretty. So this is a beautiful color, a beautiful ink. So I'll leave a link to their website where you can find this if they get it back in stock. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.